Imagine carrying billions of dollars worth of cargo across an ocean that can rise like a wall taller than a skyscraper. One wrong moment, one massive wave, and even the world's largest ships could disappear forever. But here's the shocking truth. Modern ships are designed to fight back. Today, we're diving deep into how giant cargo ships survive the deadliest waves on Earth. From advanced engineering to intelligent systems, these ships are far more powerful than they look. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why even monster waves can't easily sink them. Modern cargo ships like MSC Irina are among the largest moving structures ever built by humans. They carry thousands of containers, traveling across unpredictable oceans for weeks. But the ocean doesn't care about size or strength. At any moment, waves can rise violently, capable of destroying almost anything in their path. In history, one of the tallest waves ever recorded occurred in Lituya Bay. It reached an unbelievable height of around 1,700 feet. That's almost the height of a skyscraper, like New York's Freedom Tower. A wave like that could tear any ship into pieces. So how do ships survive? The answer begins with something called ship stability. Every ship is designed to stay balanced, even in extreme conditions. Even when waves hit from the side and push the ship, it naturally tries to return upright. This balance depends on three key forces: center of gravity, center of buoyancy, and the metacenter. If these are aligned correctly, the ship remains stable, even in rough seas. The shape of the ship also plays a huge role. Most ships are designed with a V-shaped or U-shaped hull. This helps them cut through waves and remain stable. One of the simplest but most effective tools is called the bilge keel. These are fin-like structures attached to the sides of the ship underwater. They reduce rolling and prevent the ship from tilting too much. The faster the ship moves, the more effective they become. Now let's move to a more advanced system, the anti-rolling tank. This system works like a hidden balancing mechanism inside the ship. Imagine a wave hits the ship from one side. The ship starts tilting from left to right. At that exact moment, water inside the anti-rolling tank begins to move. It shifts toward the opposite side to counterbalance the tilt. This reduces the rolling motion and brings the ship back to stability. There are two types of anti-rolling systems: active and passive. Active systems use pumps to move water quickly from one side to another. Passive systems rely on smart design so water moves naturally. Even without electricity, passive systems can still function. Next comes one of the most powerful tools: fin stabilizers. These are like wings attached under the ship. But unlike bilge keels, these fins can move. They adjust their angle automatically based on the ship's movement. When the ship starts tilting, the fins create lift in the opposite direction. This cancels out the rolling motion almost instantly. All of this is controlled by a smart system: the gyroscope. It constantly monitors the ship's angle and movement. The moment it detects instability, it sends signals to the stabilizers. Everything happens automatically within seconds. However, fin stabilizers are not always effective. At very low speeds, they lose efficiency. That's why ships often slow down during storms and rely more on other stabilization systems. Another critical system is the anti-heeling system. This is especially important during loading and unloading. When cargo is unevenly distributed, the ship can tilt. The system detects the tilt and corrects it instantly. It transfers water between ballast tanks to balance the ship. All these systems are connected through pipes, valves, and control units. They work together like a coordinated defense system. Sensors detect problems, and systems respond instantly. Even with all these advanced systems, the ocean is still unpredictable. Mistakes, extreme weather, and mechanical failures can still cause disasters. In fact, hundreds of major ship accidents have been recorded over the years. Some ships were damaged, and some never returned. Bad weather is one of the biggest threats. Heavy fog, strong winds, and massive waves reduce visibility and control. Sometimes, even a small miscalculation can lead to a huge disaster. That's why human decision-making is just as important as technology. When a ship is in trouble, rescue operations begin immediately. But rescuing people in rough seas is extremely dangerous. High waves can easily overturn small rescue boats, so engineers had to invent something revolutionary. Introducing self-righting rescue boats. These boats are designed to flip and come back upright on their own. Even if they rotate 180 degrees, they recover within seconds. This makes them perfect for extreme rescue missions. The secret lies in their design. Heavy components are placed low, while the upper structure is kept lightweight. This creates a natural tendency to flip back upright. All doors and openings are completely watertight. When the boat flips, these seals prevent water from entering. This ensures the crew remains safe inside. Some boats also use a pendulum-like mechanism. This helps shift weight automatically when the boat tilts and pushes the boat back to its original position. These boats also have intelligent onboard systems. If the boat flips, engines and radar shut down automatically. This prevents damage to critical components. Once the boat recovers, everything restarts automatically. These rescue boats can operate in waves up to 6 to 10 meters high. They are built to survive where most vessels would fail. So the next time you see a massive ship crossing the ocean, remember, it's not just floating. It's constantly fighting against nature using science. The ocean is powerful, unpredictable, and sometimes terrifying. Yet humans continue to challenge it with engineering and innovation. From massive cargo ships to self-righting rescue boats, every design tells a story of survival. Because in the middle of the ocean, there are no second chances. You either survive or you don't. If this video amazed you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing content like this. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Comment below. Would you dare to travel on a ship in a massive storm? Yes or no?